Greetings viewers, welcome back to the Crypto Terminal. It's your host, the Dogecoin King. Tonight's topics, Coinbase, Gemini, and Robinhood. Kraken, as well as any other place that you could buy crypto. I'm going to compare and contrast the pros and the cons with these different exchanges. So please, stay tuned. I'm going to start with Coinbase. It's a great exchange. It's the first one I ever used, and Coinbase actually recently started offering their Coinbase card. You have to get on a wait list, but the great thing about the card is it works just like a traditional debit card. You earn up to 4% back. There's many different cryptocurrencies that you could choose from as far as what you want to spend. I use US dollar coin. The reason why is because I'm not really interested in selling what may be a speculative investment, but it still is an investment that I wouldn't want to go and buy my Dunkin' Donuts and lose out on, that $7-8 being $50 by the end of the day. So I'll just rather use US dollar coin to make my purchases, and I have my rewards come back to me in XLM. XLM is not a coin that I've discussed too often, but it is a coin that I have been invested in for a while now. I believe I purchased my first XLM, which are Stellar Lumens, at about 8 cents, if I'm correct, and right now it's trading somewhere around 30 cents. So this project is one that I believe in. Actually, it's one of the first projects that I've really gotten into once I moved away from Robinhood, which we'll discuss later in this video. So that's how I have my setup. I spend US dollar coins, I receive XLM back in return, 4%, and that's on my purchases. I've already used it to pay for my trash collection bill. And I've already used it to purchase on Amazon. I've already used it to purchase my Dunkin' Donuts and things at the gas station. So it works. It activates very quickly, very easy to set up. The only thing is the wait list. It took me I don't really want to guess, but I would say around a month. I didn't really pay it much mind because I did not really have enough details when I did actually get on the wait list to when I did receive it to really be excited enough to pay attention to when did I hit wait list and when did I actually receive it. So Coinbase also offers many different coins. There are two platforms. You have Coinbase and Coinbase Pro. I would advise my viewers to look at both of them. I make the majority of my cryptocurrencies purchases in Coinbase Pro, period. Whether I'm going to transfer it somewhere for staking purposes or I'm going to flip it, whatever the case may be, most of my purchases, if I can do so, will be through Coinbase Pro because they have minimal fees. And if you want to save, obviously you have to look at these things, and if you're going to be trading and you're going to be purchasing many different cryptocurrencies, if they are offered in Coinbase Pro, my opinion is to go and check there first and purchase there. That is pretty much the gist of Coinbase. There is the Coinbase, which is the most user-friendly version. There is the Coinbase wallet. That is a great hot wallet for folks to store their different currencies that they allow you to. I believe that they have a whole reward system set up through their wallet. I don't really use it, but it is there for those who want to use that. And they have Coinbase Pro, which is for more advanced users, but I would advise everyone to take a look at Coinbase Pro because you do have the lowest fees there as far as I've found so far. And that is pretty much the gist of what Coinbase has to offer. There's a link in the description for you to go on and get to my link so that you could sign up for Coinbase, and we both will be rewarded by Coinbase for you doing that. The second exchange I'd like to discuss is my favorite, Gemini. That exchange is wonderful. It's the newest exchange on the market. They're really appealing to people who want to earn on their Dogecoin. They brought 7.4%, which was great for about a month. They did not do that for too long. I guess they were giving away a little bit too much Doge. So they bumped it down a little bit to around 5%. But hey, you can't get that anywhere else. So if you're holding on to Dogecoin, you best move it straight to Gemini ASAP. They also have Gemini Dollar, which is great. So for those folks who kind of are swing traders and they want to hold X amount on the sidelines for that dip, because I do always say to buy the dip, they offer 7.4, I believe, back on Gemini Dollar if you hold that, and it's pegged off of the US dollar, so you know it doesn't change. It's just like US dollar coin, which I hold in my Coinbase account. It's the same thing, but they offer you over 7% just for holding on to it. So when it comes to those long-term trades, I say to move on over to Gemini. I'm trying desperately to do my trades and get from Robinhood to Gemini. I would advise you to do the same. Purchase on Coinbase Pro, transfer to Gemini, sell out of Robinhood, transfer to Gemini. There isn't much really else to go over. They do offer some rewards for purchasing with certain retailers that they do business with, but none of the names that they really have, Baskin Robbins, I think, and a few other folks, are really appealing to me in particular, so I don't really care too much about that. I'm pretty satisfied with using my Coinbase card. But anything that I'm holding long term, like my Mana, with those Decentraland fans out there, they do offer rewards on or earn on Mana. They offer on Ethereum. I don't believe that they have the highest rate, but you know, if you want to just keep everything in the same bucket, why not? The rate actually isn't that bad. They do return on Bitcoin. It's, I believe, about 2%. That's better than most. At Coinbase, I believe if you want to spend, they will return 1% in Bitcoin. Gemini has them beat there. So for those long-term holders, pretty much just go for Gemini. There isn't really much else to discuss about their platform. It's apart from the Winklevoss twins running it, they're running the show there. So they really have some big reputable people behind the surface, behind the scenes. So if you're holding on to crypto for a while, I would recommend you getting on into Gemini. The next exchange that I'd love to discuss is one that we're all familiar with, Robinhood. Robinhood is what brought me into Dogecoin to begin with. So although a lot of people have a lot of negative views about Robinhood, I did at one point, I have sort of forgiven them, because all of this hype about Dogecoin could not be possible had it not been for Robinhood. Now that being said, Robinhood is late to the game. Robinhood is the last kid to be picked to play dodgeball. They offer you nothing. You do not have control of your crypto. You do not have many coins to choose from. There's no card. There's pretty much nothing. They just literally offer you Dogecoin and Bitcoin and Ethereum Classic and a few others, and that is it. They are not giving any guidance about when they're going to do these things for us. They're just saying that they're going to do it, although their competitors are running laps around them right now. So it's a kind of relationship that you want to keep around, because maybe they're waiting to do something better. Maybe they are setting up for something big. But a lot of people are getting into the game now, and they are not really at this point in time doing what they need to do to keep the people who they have had since the beginning. So if Vlad, you're watching this, please step up your game. And that's pretty much it when it comes to Robinhood. There isn't much offered. There isn't much to speak about. Robinhood is just Robinhood. And that's what it is at this point in time. So I'm going to move on to Kraken. Kraken is a great exchange. It maybe comes in third or fourth. It offers Saya coin. It's the only place that I know of where you can get it. That's pretty much the biggest thing about that platform to me. The rewards are okay. You know, they offer rewards on Polkadot and, you know, a few other coins that people are really into. Cardano, I love Cardano. So Kraken does still have its specialty need, but it very easily can be overtaken once Gemini or even Coinbase offers, you know, better staking rewards on those currencies. So Kraken is a thing. I do want people to be aware of it in case it does work for you, because for a while I did really need Kraken to fill the gap. They had Dogecoin for a long time. They're starting to upgrade their mobile app. I've heard from folks that I know that they are starting to enjoy it. So although it's not my favorite exchange, I know other people are finding a lot of utility for Kraken. So hooray to Kraken. Keep doing great things. Keep upgrading. Keep making it more user-friendly, more enjoyable for your clients. And I'm sure that you guys will continue to do well over there at Kraken. There are many other exchanges, you know, Webull and eToro and other places that you can get cryptocurrencies. There's BitPay, and a few others that I can't name off the top of my head at this moment, but definitely, you know, check out what's out there. If you're in one country, it may be available to you. If you're in another country, it may not be available to you. You know, there's Binance. I haven't spoken about Binance for this entire video, but you know, that just isn't an exchange that I am using too much. I do have some coins on Binance, but I can find those coins anywhere else and move them around anywhere else. Pretty much I use them when I may come to a daily limit for Gemini or something like that, as far as purchasing, or maybe their systems are working faster to be able to get my funds than Coinbase Pro, or Coinbase Pro is down for a minute or something like that. So Binance is definitely a great exchange. It'll suit all of your needs. Maybe not the rewards so much, but you know, it would definitely help you to buy and purchase most things that you want to buy and purchase. So I do want to mention their platform, but it's not something I'm going to stick too long on. Actually, I'm pretty much finished speaking about it. So that's pretty much it. There's not really many other exchanges to discuss. You know, if you do have one that you like that I didn't mention, please drop it in the comment section below. Folks, please like, subscribe, share this video. I'm trying my best to provide better content for you guys. So let's get the word out there. Let's get more folks into these crypto sectors and, you know, keep making money. All right, I would like to end the video by again thanking all my viewers and followers. Thank you for subscribing and following on all platforms. If you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for? Now, let's continue our journey together. Until next time, Doge King out.